resiliency, empathy, and compassion in this world of ambiguity?
Yes, so I would say using your creativity, whatever that means to you. If you have a hobby you used to do and you stopped doing it and it made you happy, do it again. I hear that universally. People are like, I don't know why I stopped woodworking or painting or whatever, diamond painting. Do that. It makes you happy, builds resiliency, builds your rebound from stress. And then by doing that, you also increase your tolerance of ambiguity. And then to increase your tolerance of ambiguity, use your creativity, but also learn another language, travel, try different things, and build your ability to step out of that discomfort of, because we're all pretty smart, let's face it. You are all here because you have a career and you're smart and you're using that to make things in the world. But the problem is it makes it much harder to be a dummy and to be like, I don't know how to paint, because we're so used to being skilled at something. Anytime you step out of that knowledge, that curse of knowledge and that I know what I'm doing, into not knowing and taking that risk and that vulnerability to say, like, I don't know how to paint. That helps to build, I think, your resilience and your empathy as well. Hopefully that's an answer.
Thank you. Anyone in the room? I just want to make sure. We can take one last question online. Okay. There was a comment saying that tax auditors have creativity with numbers.
Creative accounting. That's
but one question was, how can you be creative when working in policy?
How can you be, so like in a regulatory environment or something where it's how you implement that policy. How do you meet? Like when you're creating that report, are you using other tools? Because I believe that many of you are able to use AI within the government context. So how are you using AI to brainstorm that policy? Or how are you implementing it? How are you communicating that policy and sharing that? Maybe you make a video, maybe you have some new tool that structures the policy in a new way. There's so many different ways to be creative. A lot of people ask me in health and safety, there's no room for creativity. Well, there's tons of room and creativity for health and safety. It's like, how do you communicate to someone that they shouldn't step off that cliff? Or how do you make it clear, make a sign clear? Or how do you take in information so that you can understand the issues? So there's so much room for creativity. That creativity doesn't mean you have to reinvent the wheel at the end of the day of your vision, but there's how you get there is the creative part. I hope that answers the question.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Caroline. That will close our Q&A session. Thank you, everyone, for participating in the room and online.
Thank you.
Caroline, thank you so much for your engaging session today. My takeaway is if we let people be creative, we improve our retention of staff and prepare them to deal with ambiguity at the same time. So thank you for that. I encourage all of you in the audience to take a few moments to fill out our feedback survey, please. It helps us tailor sessions for the future to you, all right? There's a QR code there. You can also do it with the app. And it's now lunchtime. We'll be returning at 1:30 with 3 more fantastic sessions. Thank you, and we look forward to see you then.